Who's what for start? Alright, man. Jesus, P, man, the moves are slow around here, so. Good evening, Jamaica, and welcome to another DBS Instagram News. I am Duttyberry, and first up, I'd like to big up our sponsor for tonight, Irish Spring. Irish Spring. Okay, please enjoy the ones that you have now, because the only things that you will be getting from foreign now is Corona. And now for our top stories. Jamaica now has 125 confirmed Corona cases. That is an additional 18 cases, or is it 32? Basically, Jamaica now has 52 cases that have come from that BPO in St. Catherine called Alorica. Now, I have a message from the Prime Minister right now, and here's what he has to say. The people... Dutty, I don't know what more to do. I have walked in the streets with my jeans pants and my Clarks. I have interacted on Instagram. I have spoken to them on all of the social media, but they have refused to listen to warnings of the government of Jamaica. What more shall I do? As that songwriter, that's the songwriter talking. The songwriter that did the song that said, what shall I do? I don't know what more I can do for Jamaicans. They are weak fences. Okay, well, that is it from our Prime Minister. Now, a word with the Minister of Health, Tufton. As what the Prime Minister said earlier, the Ministry of Health we are doing our best. We have exhausted all of our resources trying to get people to take heed of the message. But as the Prime Minister said earlier, what more can we do? Yes, we know that it's likely for us to win the next general election. But this is not about that. This is about us uniting and trying to slow and lower the curve. Thank you very much to the Minister of Health. Now, at this moment, we have caught up with an employee at the Alorica call center in St. Catherine. Now, this person is about to spill the tea because they were able to provide some information on the first person who came into the call center sick and might have spread the virus. Our reporter on standby is Mrs. Chaiziom, and she will be speaking to that person.
Thank you, Dutty. So I didn't quite get the last part of what you said just now, but I will be giving you an update. So it is actually a male, and he is a former employee at the Alorica plant, and this is what he was able to tell us. What was the name of the lady who you said might have brought the corona to Alorica? Okay, so what else happened after that once she entered the call center? Was there anything that you saw? Well, that is it. Back to you in studio.
Very much for that special report. Well, that is it for our top stories. Now over to our entertainment news with
Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of EOD. I am Dutty1. Now, recently, several entertainers lent their support to the Jamaican telethon by redoing many of their popular hits to fit this current pandemic called the coronavirus. Here are some of the performers. General Degree.
You think it a go so when I hold you next year? Right now we going have a master debate, so you can't stay there, don't believe me. Break curfew and make conjussy. You think it a go so when I hold you next year? Right now we going have a master debate. Right now you're going, don't believe me. Break the curfew and make conjussy.
Tanya Stevens.
In Jamaica, we need to do better. Oh, you don't want corona, and against the program. Have you ever stopped to think if the nurse sleep? Have you ever washed your hands since you're gonna go eat? You come from foreign and you never did retreat, cause you're not ready for this yet, boy.
Lady G.
Snapper that come here with your coffee self. Just ease off, breeze off. You on the ear so outside now keep again. Just ease off, breeze off. Cross the toll but you want time to spend. Just ease off, breeze off. Don't tell me say you want come back again. Just ease off for breeze.
Yellowman.
COVID-19, COVID-19. So if you break the rules, then you commit a crime. Lose your work, then you don't have a dime. Did you sell, try go and use your lime? You go a bank, then you have to join a line. The girl pass me the yard, that means say I'm mine.
Pampute.
Hey, a pampute. I represent for all of the clean out Jamaican them. I this way for tell them say, I miss a Jamaicans walk out and call your neighbor name. I try flee when them should have shame. The whole of Portmore run like you seen. And when we dead, I them a complain. We need to beat them with piece of cane. Go where. You need to listen where bro gotta say. Go where.
Intense and Waata.
Me roll out in my long sleeve when me put on me gloves and my mask for real, yeah.
You said. Me have couple of my friend. Yeah, them just stay at them yard. Them don't follow no bar. Not even bro God. Me have couple of my friend. Them are weak fence. Them not gonna listen no bar. And when the curfew are end.
Well, that's it for tonight's edition of EOD. I am Dutty1.
Thank you very much for that report. Well, that is it for DBS News. Do take care.
Jesus Christ. Lot of mercy, come lose walk.